Yeah. Nyamira nge yugocha. Hekize keli naende na iranire. Championi. Ha ha. Naumeire. Gesike kyomotioke. Naumeire. Gesike kyomotioke. Naumeire. Gesike kyomotioke. Naumeire. Gesike kyomotioke. Tinkorara. Gesike kyomotioke. Tinkorara. Gesike kyomotioke. Tinkorara. Gesike kyomotioke. Tinkorara. Gesike kyomotioke. Tinkorara bana. Tinkorara bana. Tinkorara. Itukeli monkanywa marweke mwanso. Itukeli monkanywa marweke mwanso. Amarweke mwanso ne nyama yogo samba. Amarweke mwanso ne nyama yogo samba. Ndale kobo momura. Ndale kobo momura. Nire Nyamira roje. Ndale kobo momura. Nire Nyamira roje. Nire Nyamira roje. Nyebuge lyomorolia. Nire Nyamira roje. Nyebuge lyomorolia. Nyamira kanyomache. Nyebuge lyomorolia. Nyamira kanyomache. Chamaroche, baito chinchugu chamaroche, baito chinchugu chamaroche, swa nyalika moro, ove nyalika mongo, swa nyalika moro, ove nyalika mongo songa. Nevirende, baita baiseke nevirende, baita baiseke nevirende, swa nyalika moro, ove nyalika mongo, swa nyalika moro, ove nyalika mongo songa. Nevisora, baita bambura, nevisora, baita bambura, nevisora, swa nyalika moro, ove nyalika mongo, swa nyalika moro, ove nyalika mongo songa. Karunchera, bona tuachakire bocha, karunchera, bona tuachakire bocha, karunchera, bona tuachakire bocha, karunchera, bona tuachakire bocha. Abamura, twaganyete baikire, abamura, twaganyete baikire, abamura, twaganyete baikire, abamura, twaganyete baikire. Abaiseke, nochembuya inumogocha, abaiseke, nochembuya inumogocha, abaiseke, nochembuya inumogocha, abaiseke, nochembuya inumogocha. Quiero nare policia, baba. Quiero nare policia, nkaigo korwengu mwelia, baba. Nkaigo korwengu mwelia, nkaigo nyanyire kwana. Anyaba murana baya, baba. Anyaba murana baya, wakagera chikairana. Anyaba iseke na baya, baba. Anyaba iseke na baya, wakagera chikairana. Abantu baito tinerango kuburonse bororo. Abanene nabake tinerango kuburonse bororo. Omwana baba tinerango kuburonse bororo. Aito babunege susu ege kora. Tego itwa boira. Kikare maire. Abagusimo kerera igoro. Mangana na bali robor. Barangeli abageni, barangeli bache, barangeli torate. Herero no mogoko, barangeli mogoboka, barangeli torate. Negeri mole kototenge, barangeli bakamagoro, barangeli torate. Ditu kolirindero, barangeli bakaria, barangeli torate. Minto bono.
Merenganyo 22 4. Yes. So number?
Yeah, you are right.
22 inya. Ega na waro makeiwe. Abanta baita baya. Yo yote baiga. Humility and the fear of the Lord brings equality and the honor and the life. Omachami Nyasaye, Nako Bakina, Navatogi, Nako Romanena, Nako Mokeligo, Nyasaye, Romuya, Romo, and Romotogonese, Yamano Money, Kagro to Ajetim Navanavao, and if we have a Kagro to Anchera, to territory more. Omoro to Korea, Havana, Monena, Lavana Moko, Romana, Quana, and Veto Kuruaya, Asava, Jambu, why Kira Monena, you got over there and a man be a Korean and a man be ended. About Sivatan and Auntie Kande, there I go. You got to Savia Sivata, Cristo Romotoria.
Live language Korea Assistant Chief Eric. If he's around.
God is good all the time. That is good. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to welcome our visitors and all of us in this place. Thank you so much. Feel highly welcome. This is where you are to be today. I'm the area assistant chief, and I'm humbled to be with you here. Thank you so much and welcome. It's another occasion to thank those ladies. Bako wamunaitwe pamoja na Esther asenjo ya mafundisho babere bakonyora mabara munaitwa. Kindly can you stand up and to see you are around. Wow. Where are they? Who else with me who is seeing these ladies the way they are smart? Are you saying?
Yes.
Are they?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I've heard about you, Esther Nantebetje, so I know the program you have been doing.
Congratulations and keep it up. Naende na abandi mukuba join. Sindio? So I'm happy. I'm actually happy. And I know mwege sana. Sindio? Yeah, so I want to congratulate also my friend here, Esther. Esther, come here. This is my friend. She's my classmate. She is also my desk mate. Kama nadanganya. This is my desk mate. Tulikuwa tunakaa naye mwana kwa musikino muraba wisaransa. In fact, Toro Trout is the next one wisaransa como one desk. Sini kweli? Yeah, nire sijui ngaji achitaga ansire ligatiega. But you know, tore amo any program wakora, we have been together. She has been telling me, so I'm very happy because when you assist the society, you can see the kind of society we are in. We have various problems, but Esther, she remembered to give back to the society. Can we clap for her? Thank you. So thank you so much. Ladies, kindly keep it up. Naende na abandi nabarabo abatagete kuba join, kindly feel welcome. So for our visitors, in our society, this is Kiabanyaru. I know you might not get it very well, but this area is called Kiabanyaru Retare Sub-location, where we also have various problems. So we want to welcome you. In our society, we have various problems. If you can assist, we'll be very, very much humbled. Anytime, feel welcome. When you are here, feel welcome. Thank you so much. Naba mintu bari mwachirengira neka. Na ina bonta ite kubaharigania kwa njia kipekee. Asenkeye iga ya oyo mtesta na bare chirafiki cyane asenkeye iga. I've not seen kina Sami. There chirafiki cyane sana. So feeling na umwari ngiko bera iga lero asenche program yiga nabagani bari bakire tubarokiye ubwanja nisindio. Na intu babe batokonye sini kweli. Ntokubwatsi abana bari bande baratochoyini erinde tokonye. Aina mabe. So asanti tinta itiko genda mangesta. Thank you so much.
Then we'll shift to presentation from our girls wenye wametuleta hapa. Rutei Nkibabwati.
I'm Imagine.
I introduce the family and we welcome you hapa leo. Samuel. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
How is everyone doing?
We are okay. We are happy.
Yeah, I'm also very happy and quite entertained. And you girls can dance.
Yes. You guys can dance.
Yes. Kesonge gene kiororo kero kumanyango wote kwara weka gisini niganga abantu bandi mbayo batari kuyi wiki gusipi atona no muchandukara yangu tratem. Okay, thank you so much our guests. We welcome you to this home. I know and I've been told that you've been here before. Some of us were away, but rest assured you're always welcome, even when we are not here. My name is Samuel Nyamira. That's my father. I'm his eldest son. We also have an elder sister, actually older than me, but she was not able to join us today. So I guess I'll just introduce everyone from the family that is with us today. I'll begin with our parents. If you can stand up. Just wave. Good. That's our mother, Asante Sana. I was sitting next to my sister, my immediate follower. We are quite a number. Her name is Kalen, and she's a teacher. So she does some very good job raising this little one. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, this little one here is Milan Nyamoki. He's my son. Yes. Next is Esther. You know her, she's here. She's been the one working closely with you and the girls here, and with your support, she has done a very good job that we are all very proud of, and thank you for supporting her. I think in the family, she's the one who landed on where her passion is and training. Like, she started with passion, then she went to training, and that's why she can be able to do a very good job that she's very well dedicated to. Janet is her immediate follower. This is my other sister. Her name is Janet. She does like to dance more than everyone, I believe, actually, in the family. Her training is in finance. Somehow she ended up in engineering. And yesterday I was telling her she's an electrical engineer by association, because that's where she works. She manages power for telecommunication. Paul, I think she's more of our MC today, and trying to add some hype. Yes, is Paul, my younger brother, also following Janet, trained as an electrical engineer, but ended up in telecommunications. Interesting also, but a good one, still growing. He's still growing. Abby is not here, our last born. Yes, Anne is here. Anne, come. She's our niece, daughter to our eldest sister. Her name is Anne. And this is her baby. What's your
Procurement.
Oh, she's in procurement. We are yet to get used to it. She's young. She just graduated college recently. So our youngest, Abby, is not here. She's in Nairobi. She didn't make it to travel. So thank you so much for making time to be here today. abana ba sita, abana baitu, abana ba minto, our aunts, mwensi tumewashukuru sana na ndi tuwawokere kubaranga mogogete na ndi mwachire ku support ye group ye igo. I hope mbagwata mayabaho tutebe so that next time we galo to ikanansa 20 to make a uniform tario. That will be very nice. So I'm trying to tell, this is our community, and I'm trying to tell them that since this has started, we only see a few of our girls with uniform, and our hope is that this expands and can reach even more people, that next time we even need a larger field and everyone else will be in uniform, including myself. So I think I had a very brief assignment to introduce the family, which I've done, and yes, I has many grandchildren. They are here, but all over, because some of them are young and quite difficult to control, which is a good thing, because that's why we have this home, that children can run around anytime and have a lot of fun. Thank you.
I'm not good for speaking like that, but I will do my best, guys. I just want to introduce you a couple of girls.
Yes, my name is Catherine Maruko.
My name is Maswas.
My name is Faith Nyamira. I'm doing Jerry.
I'm Yvonne Maria.
I am Fenike Kwamboka.
I'm Marceline Pieropa Mumale.
I'm Jane Moko.
I'm Aruba Masli.
I'm Catherine Maramamai.
I'm Catherine Moramba. I'm Faith Nyariba.
I'm Priya Kwamboka.
I'm Priya Sanduko.
I'm Tabitha Kwamboka.
I'm Marita Gradis. I'm Cynthia Kerubo. I'm Adeline Nyaboke.
I'm Selenza.
So you know them. So we all know these girls here. And me, Mustafa, and my dearest wife, Laura. So we are family, guys. We are all family, and then these girls are our first ones. And there's more coming up in the future. And we want that, yes. Slow, but we want that. Okay. So you should proud these girls. What they doing since October last year? Not even a year. How much they go so far away? You cannot believe that. I'm in tears every day. That's how much I'm proud of them. And you should proud with your daughters, mother, fathers, sisters, if they have relatives, if they don't. And you all guys is supposed to proud with them, because they are actually highlighting everything what's going on here. They are your leaders. They are your futures. Especially men. Support them, protect them, and we do all we can. They are not our family. That's true. But we feel like it. That's also true. So I want you to feel the exactly same. And protect each other, taking care of each other. We call it in the United States or Europe or entire world, neighbor watch. So watch your neighbors if they know their relatives. And that way this community go higher, faster.
Yes.
This girl was smiling. Sorry, this girl was not smiling last year, crying. Even one of them was begging, knee down. And she knows herself. Okay, and I don't want that again, because you're not forgetting. You're not gonna be forgetting. We can live how long we don't know, but we will do everything I can, and she can, and her friends can. We're not just the supporters. We have a huge network behind, especially her network. Means it's her friends. They're all supporting you guys. They're all watching you very closely. They're not making it come to here, but believe us, there is a lot of more people who is helping and supporting this organization. That's why we call it Life Together Alliances. That's where our names come from. And I'm so proud of you girls. I appreciate it. Everything you do. And doing everything for your future, for your kids, and for your community. Thank you. Also, this girl is amazing. That's it. I cannot find a word to explain who she is. She's amazing. She's a brilliant. Every day, till early in the morning, she's not sleeping and she's organizing with my wife. You have no idea. Sometimes I'm asking my wife, is she not sleeping? This is for you guys. Yeah, you should probably do. Yeah. I want a clap for her. And that woman. That's woman, right there. And for each other's. Thank you very much.
Now, because Mustafa has already started, Laura, I welcome you here.
Wow.
Well, I wasn't planning on actually saying anything in public like this, but thanks to my husband. Girls, you have to know how much we love you, each and every one of us, or each and every one of you. You have such a support system in the United States. Are you familiar with celebrities? Like the Hollywood stars, right? They have fans. People in movies, they have fans that watch them, what they're doing every day. Well, you guys are our celebrities. You're our Hollywood stars because the people who support you watch you every day. Esther has been fabulous about sharing videos and pictures, and you have so many fans. I cannot tell you how many people have said, please hug these girls, please hug these girls for me, please hug. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm going to spend all day hugging them, which is great because I love it. But just know, you have a whole team behind you. They are rooting for you. They believe in you. They see you. They want you to succeed. And they're trying to do what they can to help you succeed. And you guys are stepping up to the plate. You all are doing it. We're not doing it for you. All we're doing is giving you the opportunity, and then you're like taking it and running with it. And we're so proud of you. There is nothing that you can't accomplish. I remember being here last year and seeing you last year to this year. Transformative. You guys are so amazing. I will never be able to say that enough. You make us so proud, and I am so happy to be on this journey with you, and I wish each and every one of you the best success in life. And I know if you do anything in life like you're doing this sewing, you will be successful no matter what it is. So congratulations. You should be proud of yourselves, just like my husband said. And to this lady right here, she is literally the glue that's holding it all together. She has been phenomenal, and this would not have happened without her. There are no words. There really are no words to say how much we appreciate everything she's done, because we know it's not easy. I have not had sleep. Like, I had 2 hours last night, and this woman does it like every night forever, and I need sleep. Apparently she doesn't. But she's doing that for you. And so there is a level of love that she has for you that is endless. And so cherish her, because there's not many people in this world like her. And so we cherish her, we love her dearly, and I hope you understand everything she's doing for your success. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Biyamuri mwenzi. Biyamuri naendi. Biyamuri higa. Our girls have been here since 8 a.m. in the morning, and some of them didn't even take breakfast. I was just passing by and I heard them say, I wish I had breakfast. And that was around 10, 11, somewhere there. So I know they're very tired, they're very hungry. So, timaiti istochakira, lakini nkomanyandi. Samarieta nkurukwesta nyali bali mbale batamanyiti labda mokondora ngweta iga gusimwe ngumu muntu naro kurukwesta nyali bali lakini mumaiti esta nyali bali ninchoyo. Nabere no mogoko rero asingicho yeli tukeli chinsanchi amba gutonyora asini ni abageni baitombanyo ule tunchera singinche ndege yabo ya nyure twasinini lakini yo yabayikire marogobekero bantebe tinga banyori rutorore gusento sukiri tukeli guchimotuna igwete nga kulira bono nakibono ngwekora abana aba nga ingweta chinyumba chino chonzi bakambatebi nga mucha rero mambi tukabwate event batirende batemire ba minyokire muna bariga kurubacha getesa bali kurusobo Jumatano mbararara no kurara Jumatano bakaline ndege bakaline yende bakabwate nechigali gocha igobono barachi labda gwetora rero kero twakulire event ye iga aba mama baito aba mama monyu kwete mumanye tenge event rero ne yaba iseke yale na nena liko na kubakulira abaiseka baito mapema nana kubatena kana bote yaba iboli event ni ya wasichana sawa kero kaira ikina ndi tokonyore ngana yabangina ende nimbatebi igobona ganto karoga sinini na kabanyaruka baito akimongira bobe toibona ni sawa ngoja katole wasichana there's again tukiliga mwabo atama kwa bageni aba mumarakishe tomayo kora kurugaru and then we will also have a vote of thanks from one of the girls here before we start giving out the packages.
A champion introducing MCV Riranya Ribang Tonya Riranya kolera kagichata yeto monwa Riranya kolera kagichata yeto monwa ata yeto monwa omonwa go sabera chivesa ta yeto monwa omonwa go sabera chivesa Riranya kolera kagichata yeto monwa Riranya kolera kagichata yeto monwa ata yeto monwa monwa go sabera chivesa ta yeto monwa monwa go sabera chivesa mina minamboka tokaro njibonya kayonga mina maleko tororo muyano mobe mina minamboka tokaro njibonya kayonga mina maleko tororo muyano mobe wabokiro wanjani wabokiro wanjani wabokiro wanjani wabokiro wanjani boli bwakaro bwanjani boli bwakare boli bwakaro bwanjani boli bwakaro bwanjani boli bwakaro bwanjani tema nainde torore tema nainde torore tema nainde torore tema nainde torore chisani sano nemo echisani sano nemo baminto echisani sano nemo chambo echisani sano nemo echisani sano nemo baminto echisani sano nemo chambo eyemone yenyangi baminto eyemone yenyangi chambo eyemone ya yenyangi baminto eyemone ya yenyangi chambo eyendene ya bairi baminto eyendene ya bairi chambo eyendene ya bairi baminto eyendene ya bairi chambo eyendene ya basani baminto eyendene ya basani chambo eyendene ya basani baminto eyendene ya basani chambo
enyanjo kamogesironi baba enyanjo kamogesironi mogesironi
egwata chiro mwano bande baba egwata chiro mwano bando koyana
okoyana bunege sengiye baba okoyana bunege sengi kiro sana
etimanye tigo sengo kwale baba
etimanye tigo sengo kwale ozengo barenga sabiri kumba kumba tamogondale buna bakoro kumba tamogondale
sabiri kumba
kumba tamogondale
buna bakoro
kumba tamogondale ingere lero tange mocherengo chereke na wateriro moino bogirango ingere lero tange mocherengo chereke na wateriro moino bogirango
ibogirango baba teiro moino bogirango baba teiro moino bogirango teiro moino bogirango
sabiri kumba kumba tamogondale
buna bakoro
kumba tamogondale sabiri kumba kumba tamogondale
buna bakoro
kumba tamogondale aketingiri moikente moimoke aketingiri moikente moimoke moimoke baba moimoke baba bengo bengo bengi chukutero biro kaniwaya biro kaniwaya mateka yale
ero biro
kaniwaya
biro
kaniwaya mateka yale
Lachigo siomie kebanda kanyora nenyangi yoka bakwanie baba bakwani liabo Lachigo siomie kebanda kanyora na machumo ka bakwanie gaki bakwani liabo amachuma bonombu ya mule bakwani liabo semwaru bonombu yale bakwani liabo abana bonombu ya bale bakwani liabo Lachigo siomie kebanda kanyora na amasaso kanya kwanye gaki bakwani liabo amasase bonombu ya mule bakwani liabo semwaru bonombu yere bakwani liabo abana bonombu ya bale bakwani liabo kero montombu yale bakwani liabo enya magogie moya beke sitoe enya magogie moya beke sitoe tenga ngora tuma buya igo tenga go kwebacha kugicha tontacha achinda nchankuna tenga bogeka o tenga buya o chieke nyanyuma kugicha tontacha akenta urutae eni amagogi akenta urutae eni amagogi abana Nchenko kunga MC Miki championi Naonde gane lira nya Nikubaya round this Yeko kunga M no part 1 Ono kanya part 2 Ay agosto Kurati gira uwa tebe wana tuwara chire
Dear God, it's me again. I have come to you with a heart of worship.
Baba, mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Baba, mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Oh, nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kwa Bwana Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kwa Bwana Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kwa Bwana Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kwa Bwana Baba. Bila wewe ningeteseka dadi, umenitoa mbali. Kama sio wewe yawe, mimi ningekuwa wapi? napiga makoti mbele zako Baba yangu, nainua mikono kwa ishara ya kusujudu. Yale Baba umenifanyia, acha nikuite shamba. Nimekuja nikupende leo Jehova Shawa. Wewe ni Mungu wa mapendeleo, nishakujua. Unapenda vile nataka zaidi, nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba. Wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba. Nimekuletea wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba. Nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba.
Nilikuwa nimepotea wokovu kanipa, nilikuwa sipendezi neema kanipa, ukaniokota toka jalala mimi.
Nilikuwa nimepotea wokovu kanipa, nilikuwa sipendezi neema kanipa, ukaniokota toka jalala mimi.
Asante kwa wokovu, asante kwa msamaha, umeondoa maovu, moyoni nina raha. Asante kwa wokovu, asante kwa msamaha, umeondoa maovu, moyoni nina raha. Yale Baba umenifanyia, acha nikuite shamba. Nimekuja nikupende leo Jehova Shawa. Wewe ni Mungu wa mapendeleo, nishakujua. Unapenda vile unataka dadi, nishakujua.
Nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba.
Baito itutwaganyire itukoligie yero no mogoko ebakie abage nitwaganyire egekie baba egegenikeya kaki baito itutwaganyire itukoligie yero no mogoko ebakie abage nitwaganyire twaganyire abamura twaganyire amazaze twaganyire abaizeke twaganyire mono baiki baba icyo turatenga baba baito bahereje majaba bintobono kunole majaba bageni ndoje bakire lero tige turatenga bagina bayazuka goja abaiboli bahereri banda lero nirajuka abamuraba ngo kibanyete baito okunole majaba minto inu kunole majaba baba mokunole majaba abatali gosiba mo baeta ya mulero abatali gosiba mo baeta ya mulero etaye yetikini baba nyesiarere sukari etaye yetikini baba nyesiarere sukari baba bageni bataraika nyesiarere sukari baba bageni bataraika bageni bagoja baba basibe bagotera bageni bagoja baba basibe bagotera Kasibe lyuka baba bagende bagukwana. Kasibe lyuka baba bagende bagukwana minto. Kaito, echo. Nara, tukiriria maboko. Bakoro baito baye gusiba nyamabere. Baingi gusangindageramo. Enonya nege jenge bagusangurukure. Wanje liwale ngubu ya boli wakale. Gusisi toga kindu tiga tuanjane. Otachi mino mame taja mito. Tige vitora nyamino wake mito. Ani konjiri mayana jaza nyabande monada. Marongo bande mobago tagisara te baba. Bakoro baito baringi gutwara. Ayataka nyama inde kugusamba. Tijeni cheri to baringi kozya. Tijja manyinga baba baringi kurasa. Kinzara amana gumboto. Erinya buruchi baba nenderema. Baito. Era ngange kera kya mukabo bongo. Ekyagere byara byabagambire biganga. Baba, minto, echo. Baito baera ye majaba. Minto bono kuno le majaba. Bagani no lleva kire. Pero tiga toda tenga. Magina varia su cabocha. Amaidori baera di banda. Pero ni la yuca. Abamurabango kibanjete.
Dr. B on these, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. B on these, ladies and gentlemen.
Aya, Erineri Raja, onde gane champion. Ribang, ha, Migi. Finally, me no party tuge. Panya, ekinege tinge, kama gomorondo. Oya ye, 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 ekinege tinge. You never, ya muavekiara. Oya ye, 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 you never. Yegelia mareko tokoro kumbu. Oya ye, 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 yegelia mareko.
Keke kiagera mumuro tali gotenga. Keke kiagera nyaruko tali gotenga. Keke kiagera mungino tali gotenga. Keke kiagera mugako tali gotenga. Tebe keke kiagera.
Ngoyo galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Ngoyo galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino.
Omuro galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Omuro galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino. Ningoyo galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Ningoyo galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino. Omuseko galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Omuseko galileo mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino. Mocho yogotio kasino.
Derondero, tenena to tenge. Derondero, tenena to mielie. Derondero, tenena to tume. Derondero, tenena to yunge.
Deronto licorara.
Deronto licorara.
Oh, deronto licorara.
Deronto licorara.
ntolikorara ogetutu ntolikorara omachoge ntolikorara ebobasi ntolikorara nyalibali ntolikorara naborabu ntolikorara ebonchali ntolikorara baita banchali ntolikorara
Bambura, oh, bambura, oh, bambura, oh, cura, cura, vea, vea, masatse, 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 cura, cura, vea, vea.
Obororo, obororo, basso, obororo, obororo, basso, wachachachacha, basso, wachachachacha, basso, 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 obororo, obororo, basso, obororo, obororo, basso, wachachachacha, basso, wachachachacha, basso, basso, basso.
Dr. B.
Tuji, obororo, obororo, basso, obororo, obororo, basso, wachachachacha, basso, wachachachacha, basso, 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 obororo, obororo, basso, obororo, obororo, basso, wachachachacha, basso, wachachachacha, basso, basso, basso. Ay! Doggy tapi, moyo gosoko gosera. Eguasu nyunda. Yani eguaita pi. Paso pipi guagora. Paso. 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 New home to the wall.
Dr. B on these ladies and gentlemen.
Mabulende twamanyire gosoma. Mabulende, mabulende twamanyire gosoma. Mabulende, mabulende twamanyire gesongoma. Mabulende, mabulende twamanyire gesongo. Yes. Mabulende, mabulende nakyo montakorokwa pasoni. Mabulende nakyo montakorokwa pasoni. Mabulende nakyo motokorokwa hedi. Mabulende nakitwaro kobongo reini. Mabulende nakimwaro kamaboko hadis. Mabulende nakyamagora korokwa base. Mabulende twasomire gesongo. Mabulende twasomire gesongo ngawa. Mabulende mogusi no mongaini ma. Mabulende mogusi ngane chomema. Mabulende. Omogusi yo mongaini ensengi monde tagopinga. Omogusi yo mongaini asesemi onde tagopinga. Omogusi yo mongaini asamiri abanabuya. Omogusi yo mongaini asakiri ebirajweti. Buna bali mu baitoma kisukuru basomya nonya abanyagitayi amarwere barwarya ipurobesa mboetoma ese yaito yonsi abainjinyambororo ekiroya kindi Mabulende mogusi no mongaini Mabulende twasamiri abana Mabulende nakyebukwe korokwa Bible. Mabulende nakyebukwe korokwa Bible. Mabulende nakimwaro kenseye Mabulende nakyobogi mabokorokwa Mabulende getingi nyeke ngaini Mabulende ma mabure anyeke ne rimemba ngano ko inyura ma mabure akema isa korokwa akenkore korokwa akebigoti bikorokwa irora tinda igwa akema isa korokwa akenkore korokwa akebigoti bikorokwa
yes ega kuba kero kini ma etene just ge korokwa mo kana
sense.